How are you? How are you? I am good. I am good. Take a chance. Take a chance. Stand by me. Stand by me. Spend money. Spend money. At that time. At that time. At that time he was very busy. At that time he was very busy. Thank him. Thank him. Don't tickle. Don't tickle. However, it was very good. However, it was very good. Type this. Type this. Excuse us. Excuse us. Walk faster. Walk faster. Assist me. Assist me. Enter the password. Enter the password. Pour the tea. Pour the tea. Stop him. Stop him. Stop that. Stop that. Find out. Find out. Lock the door. Lock the door. What's the truth? What's the truth? Obey the rules. Obey the rules. Where to go? Where to go? What to do? What to do? Which to take? Which to take? Which one to take? Which one to take? Serve this. Serve this. See you again. See you again. Don't ruin. Don't ruin. Feed the dog. Feed the dog. Fill the bottle. Fill the bottle. Take that down. Take that down. Apply your mind. Apply your mind. Show something else. Show something else. Accept this. Accept this. Take this. Take this. Come on time. Come on time. Do the work. Do the work. Don't tell others. Don't tell others. Send someone. Send someone. Hold this. Hold this. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.